Installation of indoor unit. Steps to install the indoor unit. First, select the correct installation site. Second, drilling holes and fixing hanger rod. Third, fixing and installing indoor unit. Fourth, checking and adjusting level of indoor unit. Fifth, dust prevention. First, select the correct installation site. Confirm the hole drilling location of suspending indoor unit with the reference cardboard provided in the indoor unit carton box. Note, take full consideration of pipeline installation and maintenance space during locating. Make sure there is no obstacle within 200 mm from the air return opening of duct-type indoor unit. Second, drilling holes and fixing hanger rod. Select hanger rod model according to the weight of the unit. For unit below 5 horsepower, M8 hanger rod shall be used. For unit above 5 horsepower, M10 hanger rod shall be used. Third, fixing and installing indoor unit. In order to avoid accidents, several people shall cooperate for suspending the indoor unit. Please pay attention to the following points during installation. A. Indoor units shall be fixed independently and cannot share the same hanger branch with other equipment or pipeline. B. 4 pieces of hanger rod must be used during suspending. The hanger rods cannot be inclined after finishing installation of unit. C. Make sure the distance between the unit and the ceiling is more than 100 mm during installing indoor unit. D. Fix the indoor unit with 2 nuts in each hanger rod. Put a gasket between the nut and the supporter. Fix the hanger rod and floor with flat gasket and nut. If there is a special damping requirement, please put the damping gasket. If the hanger rod is longer than 1.2 meters, please apply 2 supports at the diagonal to avoid vibration. Fourth, checking and adjusting level of indoor unit. After finishing installation, check the level of unit with level bar and make sure the unit is horizontal. The unit shall incline towards the drainage direction with height difference between 2 lifting lugs of 6 to 8 mm. Fifth, dust prevention. Wrap the unit with its plastic bag to prevent dust and impurities getting into the unit.